If a person stands on these raw eggs, the eggs will not break. This theory follows our egg experiment number 1, where we tried to crack an egg by squeezing only the top and bottom ends. Play-Doh is used to cushion both ends of the eggs.
I'm going to put my brother on these eggs. They're either going to crack and break and he's going to fall on the floor or on the ground, or they're going to keep him up. Do you think these eggs will crack? If you do, say yes. If you don't, say no. The facts are, they're raw, they're standing upright. Upright eggs have a tremendous strength, so they're probably holding my brother. But if you don't think they'll hold, then say no. Eggs have a tremendous strength when they're standing upright. That's why they are not cracking. That's why they hold up my brother.